Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the 11 p.m. update. As we approach the apex of this storm, this will be the last update of the evening. In our current observations, our warm front is basically now cutting through Connecticut, through the Hudson River Valley, through northern New Jersey, and to the north of, let's say, about Hazleton. Meanwhile, our cold front that's going to be putting an end to all this rainfall, at least for now, is currently moving through central Pennsylvania and is about to push towards locations like, let's say, Williamsport, as this cold front is on the move, which is good news. That's the good news with this storm, is that it is moving quickly, which means that while we're seeing plenty of rainfall, we're up to 1.89 inches of rain here in Freehold, likely pushing over 2 inches. Many locations are pushing over 2 inches. Uh, the flooding has occurred. We've seen the wind damage. We've seen uh, observations of transformers going down trees. So it's been a very dangerous evening, that is for sure. Now, the worst of this storm is this squall line right here. And when it went through Freehold, it sounded like a freight train around here with very strong winds, likely some wind damage around the region, intense heavy rainfall. Once this band moves off the coast, then we just deal with some heavy rainfall, wind gusts ranging from 30 to 50 miles per hour rather than 60 or 70 miles per hour, which has already been reported in several locations as the squall line has marched through the Garden State and heading towards the New York City Metro and Long Island. And take a look at the mid-level winds here. This is what's key. The fact that the mid-level winds are starting to push off the coast means we are moving past the peak of this storm between now and 2 a.m. from west to east. So still significant concerns for the immediate Jersey Shore, Long Island, Connecticut. But by about 2 a.m., the worst of this will be over, but the rain will continue on till about 4:30 a.m. As far as our cold front, we just got newest obs that's come in, and here's the cold front now cutting right about here. And again, very impressive heavy rainfall being recorded throughout the region. When you get 4 dots here, that means very heavy rain. And you could also tell whether or not you have heavy precipitation by the visibility. When you're down to a half a mile, that is pretty heavy. So if you're ever not sure about what you're seeing on the radar here, right? What you can do is go to your observations and you can see if you have these 4 dots here and you're seeing your visibility at a mile and a quarter, a half a mile, that is some very heavy precipitation, in this case, rain. So this squall line will continue to move off the coast, and as it does so, it will continue to produce very heavy rain and strong winds along this line. So Hudson River Valley, Connecticut, Long Island, you're still going to be dealing with these dangerous conditions through the overnight hours. The cold front moved through with another line of showers and thunderstorms, although not as intense, but still heavy rainfall, likely pushing everyone over 2 inches. And we are just pushing over 1.9 inches here in Freehold while we're talking. So again, that rainfall is pretty impressive over the past couple of hours. After the rain exits by tomorrow morning's rush hour, everyone will be drying out with just a few lingering showers here and there. For morning rush hour, the biggest concern is going to be what's left, especially down trees, flooded roadways. We have a lot of coastal flooding along the immediate coast, especially around New Jersey, here in Barnegat, uh, having flash flooding, urban flooding, and coastal flooding as well. So some very impressive flooding throughout the region already. And then after that, the cold air streams in. You can tell it's cold because we're going to start to see more snow showers returning to the region. And we'll have to watch out with some of this lake effect snow, possibly producing a few snow showers in the Poconos and Catskills tomorrow afternoon. That is your final update on this storm. I'm going to be shutting it down for the evening and getting to bed. But I hope that this coverage has helped you stay safe and at the very least get an understanding of what is impacting our region this evening. And as always, stay safe out there.